Hey everybody! One of my favorite places to connect with my friends and family is in the kitchen. Whether we're trying foods together for the first time or experimenting with a new recipe, there's always a sense of adventure in the kitchen. And that adventure isn't just for adults. Just ask my friends, Waffles and Mochi.
Hey, Mrs. O!
Hey, you two! I was just telling our friends that adventures in the kitchen aren't just for adults like me.
That's right, Mrs. O. You may think that cooking is just for grown-ups, but it's not. Take it from me and my pal Moch. Yes, we traveled all around the globe, learning about new foods and cooking alongside world-class chefs. And now, guess what?
What?
We're running our own restaurant.
No.
Yes.
And to celebrate the grand opening of Waffles and Mochi's restaurant, we created a playlist on YouTube Kids. It's full of videos for kids just like you going on their own adventures in the kitchen.
Whether you want to test some unfamiliar foods, learn to cook something new, or whip up your favorite meal, we've got you covered.
Whatever you do, we hope you'll learn to have as much fun as we do in the kitchen, right guys?
We have so much fun, don't we?
It's a blast!
Now say it with me.
Bon
Bon appetit! You were late.